What if 21 days was all it took to measurably change the structure of your brain? Not years, not decades, 21 days. Neuroscientists at Harvard Medical School put this exact question to the test. They took a group of people who had never meditated before and gave them a structured 8-week meditation program. The results changed everything we thought we knew about the fixed nature of the adult brain. In just 8 weeks, less than 2 months, the gray matter density in the hippocampus increased measurably. The hippocampus, the seat of learning, memory, and emotional regulation, growing physically in adults. Meanwhile, the amygdala, the fear and aggression center, shrank. And the connection between the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex, the rational mind, strengthened. In simple terms, the part of the brain that reacts became smaller and quieter. The part that responds became larger and stronger in 8 weeks. But let us go deeper, because the ancient yogic tradition did not just describe what meditation does to the brain. It described a precise, day-by-day unfolding of what happens when a human being commits to daily practice. Days 1 to 7, the mind fights. Every thought you have ever had seems to surface at once. Ancient yogis called this viksipta, the scattered mind. The restless mind discovering how restless it actually is. This is not failure. This is the practice working. Days 7 to 14. The body begins to change first. Cortisol, the stress hormone, begins to drop. Sleep quality improves. Heart rate variability, the measure of nervous system flexibility, increases. The body is beginning to believe it is safe. Days 14 to 21. Something shifts. The yogis called it ekagrata, one-pointed mind. The scattered attention begins to gather. Focus sharpens. Reactivity softens. Relationships change. The people around you notice before you do. The science confirms every stage. By day 21, studies show measurable reductions in perceived stress, up to 31%. Inflammatory markers in the blood, linked to almost every chronic disease, begin to decrease. The telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA associated with aging, show early signs of lengthening. You are literally aging more slowly. The ancient yogis spoke of tapas, the heat of discipline, the purifying fire of consistent practice. They said that 21 days of unbroken commitment created a new neural groove, a samskara, a new pattern carved into the mind. Modern neuroscience calls this neuroplasticity, the brain rewiring itself through repeated experience. The ancient teachers called it transformation. The scientists call it structural change. Same thing. By day 21, something ancient happens. The practice stops feeling like effort and starts feeling like coming home. The yogis said 21 days is the minimum threshold at which the mind begins to trust the practice. Not believe in it, trust it. The way the body trusts the breath without thinking about it. Day 1, you decide. Day 7, you struggle. Day 14, you feel it. Day 21, you understand why the yogis never stopped. The brain you have at day 21 is measurably different from the brain you had at day 1, not metaphorically, measurably, structurally, biochemically. And this was always available to you, every single day. All it ever required was 20 minutes and a decision to keep showing up. Stay with the breath. Yoga origins.